I'm showing you how to do these subtitles in this video. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm in Big Subtitle. We're going to create a new, and we can now import it from Video Express. Before you had to download it and then upload it. So I want to do this one. Submit. And once it's appeared there, you go next. You want it in English, correct? And 16:9, and this you have to add subtitles there. Now, if it's not 52, it's too small. Big tip, and it's got to be animated. And then it comes up highlighted blue. You don't need to enhance it because that puts a barrier, a little border around it, and it makes it thinner. And we don't want background music. So it's 1, 2, 1. Coaching with subtitles. And once you've saved it, I'm going to pause this for a minute. So it's now ready, and then I'm going to show you. You can actually read it, and that's how easy it is, guys. If you want to get the programs that make this, it's called Video Express AI, and the link is in the description. The subtitles actually comes free